Hi everyone, so for this week's video, problem, it says the figure below shows two tangent circles. They have radii of 16 and 6 respectively. Draw three common tangents and define A, B, and C as the intersections of these common tangents. And you want to find the area of ABC. So for this problem, we will have two circles of radii 6 and 16. So since it's tangent, O1D and O2F are perpendicular to line AB. So we know that triangle AO1D is similar to triangle AO2F. So we know that O1x is 6 and O2x is 16. So O1, O2 is 22. So say we have, so for this relation, we have AO1 over AO2 is equal to O1D over O2F is equal to AD over AF. So we know that O1D over O2F is equal to 3/8. And we also know that AO1 minus, AO2 minus AO1 is O1, O2, which is 22. So we can write if AO1 over AO1 plus 22 is equal to 3/8. So we have 8AO1 is equal to 3AO1 plus 66. So AO1 is equal to 66 over 5. So now we know that this is 66 over 5. 66 over 5. So now we know that AO1 is 66 over 5. So then by the Pythagorean theorem, we can calculate AD. That's not, we'll calculate it. So AD squared plus DO1 squared is equal to AO1 squared by the Pythagorean theorem on triangle ADO1. So then AD, you don't know, so AD squared. And then DO1 is 6, so that's 6 squared. And then AO1 is 66 over 5, so this is 66 over 5 squared. So then AD squared is equal to, AD is equal to 6 over 5 squared, plus 11 squared, which is equal to 6/5 of the square root of 146. Okay, so we know that 80 is 6/5 of the square root of 146, so we'll write that. So this is perpendicular. So we notice that the figure is symmetric along this line. So if we calculate the area of ABX, and we multiply that by 2, and we can get the area of ABC. So to calculate the area of ABX, that triangle ABX is similar to triangle why can't I erase this? Okay, anyways, ignoring that. This is similar to triangle AO1D, since AO1D and ABX share the angle A, and they both have the right angle. So then this makes AB over A01. Okay. BX over AX equal to O1D over AD. This somewhat triangle. So O1, so BX is BX. AX is equal to A01 plus O1X, which is equal to 66 over 5 plus 6. And then O1D is equal to 6, and AD is 6/5 over the square root of 146. So, we can use this to find BX, and BX is equal to, so we have 6 over square root 146. If you cancel the 6/5, so it's just 6 times 16 over the square root of 146. So this is 96 over the square root of 146. And then the area of triangle ABX is equal to half times BX times AX, since ABX is a right triangle, and we know that the area of the triangle is half the base times the height. So BX we calculated is 96 over the square root of 146, and AX, well, that's just 66 over 5 plus 6. So if we calculate this, we get this is 48, and so that equals to 4608 over 5 square root 146. So since the entire thing is symmetric along this line, we know that the area of triangle ABC is just 2 times the area of ABX. So then since the area of ABX is this, we know that the area of ABC is equal to 92/16 over 5. Over 5 square root 146, and this is equal to 9/16 square root 146 over 730, and this is equal to 4608 square root 146 over 31, and no, that's 36. That's the answer.